In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in GIMP. If you're labeling a photo, creating a simple graphic, or adding a caption, this quick walkthrough will help you place clean, readable text exactly where you want it. Start by opening GIMP and loading the image or file you want to work on. Give the canvas a second to appear so everything fully initializes. As you work, remember that GIMP uses layers behind the scenes. When you add text, GIMP automatically creates a text layer for you, which makes it easy to edit later without affecting the rest of your image. Next, look to the toolbox and choose the Text tool. It's the icon that looks like a capital letter A. Once it's active, your cursor will change to an insertion-style pointer when you hover over the canvas, letting you know you're ready to place text. Click on the canvas exactly where you want the text to begin. Aim for a spot with a little breathing room from the edges so your words don't feel cramped. After you click, a text box appears, and you can start typing right away. You can press Enter to create new lines, and you can select words or entire lines to adjust them together. If you typed something and want to refine it, just highlight the text inside the box and make your changes. If you make a mistake, a quick undo is your friend. To refine the look, check the tool options, usually docked just below the toolbox. This is where you control the font, size, and color. Choose a font from the list that suits your project. Clean, sans serif fonts are great for modern captions, while serif or script styles can add character. For size, think in terms of visibility. Pixel sizes are the most common on screens, so increase the value until it's easy to read at your final viewing size. For color, click the color swatch and pick something with strong contrast against your background. Dark text on a light area or light text on a dark area is a reliable rule of thumb. If you're unsure, test a couple of options and see which one stands out without straining the eyes. When you're happy, simply click away from the text box to preview it in place. The great part is that text remains editable. Just activate the Text tool again and click on your text to revise wording, font, size, or color later. That's all you need to add text in GIMP clearly and confidently.